So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell out the money strangle on interactive brokers. So I'm in the options chain and I'm going to be using IREN as the example for today. We're going to go 8 days out, which again is a bit shorter time frame than what I normally do, but I just wanted to kind of show you this in terms of how you can play around with the strikes and expiration dates. And if we have a look now, IREN's trading at just under $42. It's 0.21% down. And again, you can see it's going a rank of 52 weeks at 48, which again meets my criteria of selling options above an IU rank of 30, because we want volatility to be high or historically high. There's a lot of implied volatility in IREN, which makes it a good stock. And I like IREN because A, it's got the volatility, but it's also very small account friendly. So if you guys do have accounts under 20K, whether you're doing an out the money strangle or buy the wings in terms of an iron condor, you can still pick up some pretty decent premium. So what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to go somewhere between the 10 and 15 delta, because again, IREN can move. I just want to show you the amount of premium you can collect on a stock like this. We're going to be looking at the put size first, which is the right hand side. And I've added the delta column in here, as you can see. And I'm going to go down to I might go to the 34 strike, which is a 12 delta, 53 cents bid price, mid price of around 55 cents. So again, we can make $55, and that's not a bad trade in itself if you just want to sell it out the money put. But what we want to do is we want to sell the other side and complete the overall out the money strangle. So again, now we're going to look at the left hand side for the calls. So again, we want to go out of the money, so we want to go above the current price. And again, I like the between the 12 and 15 delta. And again, you know what? The 50 strike dead on, is at 15 delta. And again, I'm going to pick up again around 40 to 42 cents of credit there. So you can see here, we've got mid price around 102. And where's the current price? Current price trading at 41.84. So the 50 strike is best part of 20% thereabouts. And then the put strike is at 34, which again is about the same, about 18-20%. So again, we're quite wide. IREN can move, but I do like this trade for a week out, picking up around $1 credit. And again, we'll look to get out of this trade at 50-60% of max profit. So trying to pick up 50 cents, 60 cents, which translates into $50-$60 of income coming in through the door, which then we can go and either reinvest that into stocks, or we can take that as income. Whatever your goals are that you're trying to do, you can achieve those with using interactive brokers. So I'm going to get this thing filled, and let's see where we get filled at. So we got filled at just over $1, which I was trying to wait around trying to get filled, but I got a bit lazy, to be honest. So I just kept going down until I got filled. I could have probably got filled at 103, 104, but I just wanted to get this order filled. So now you can see that we have got an out the money strangle on IREN, the 34 put, the 50 call. And again, what we're looking to do, or what we hope that's going to happen, is that we expect that IREN to stay within our strikes. The probability of profit is around 80%. And if we get challenged on one of the strikes, there's a lot of management techniques that we can do. And again, if you subscribe, then we can go through what those management techniques are.